Yeah, we're gonna go to the store in the Spec Miata.
Okay.
All right, so here's the Lotus. Right now we're installing a sway bar. This is the old sway bar. This is the new sway bar. We have a bunch of things here. In order to get the sway bar out, we had to unrivet this plate. It was a very quick process. We're gonna go take this to the store now. I was just kidding, it wasn't a very quick process. The Lotus is a total pain in the ass. We're gonna take this to the store now, and this is a much more practical car than the Lotus. So let's get into it. Are the keys in it?
Yeah, the keys are.
All right, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this practicality.
Should we not?
I don't know, your head's kind of close to the roll bar.
Well, I just, you know.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
I might
back it out a little.
I'll go slow. Oh, shit. This thing is difficult to get into. So you gotta lift your leg over the bar here. Ah, we're in. Here's our plate. We're gonna get some bolts for it. Alright, am I backing out now? Alright, are you getting in now?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna try to get my seatbelt on. This is the best car that you've ever bought.
I'd say so.
The answer is always Miata, right? Or Miata is always the answer?
Yeah.
That's what Miata stands for. So we're in here reviewing a 1.6 liter Spec Miata. This is a very fast car. 0 to 60 comes in about 12 seconds. And the brakes are great. The steering's great. This roll bar is the definition of safety. Right here.
Turn signal says this, like right and left. Yeah.
What does this one do?
That's headlights, but they don't work.
Okay. Alright, I got my right turn signal on. This thing actually feels pretty fun.
Yeah, like you had to get going though. The funny thing is, I went to AAA to get it registered.
Yeah.
And they said they couldn't register it. I had to wait a week. So if we get pulled over, I'm gonna have a nice story time with the officer.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Wait, why couldn't you register it?
They said that it's some kind of glitch in their system. Like something happened with this car.
Oh, nothing wrong with the car though.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna die.
Well, that's why we're testing it first before we take it on the track.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this adjustable or is this fixed?
No, it's pretty fixed, but you can wobble it side to side, like the whole steering rack, like push the whole, yeah. So it's a little adjustable.
Got it.
Yeah. Hey look, it's Corvette.
We could be driving that right now. Wait, you wanted to take this wonderful
We were
car.
just prioritizing safety.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the roll cage and everything.
Yeah.
It actually, I mean, it feels fun. It'd be fun to throw around.
You should just take this to Button Willow.
Yeah, no, Button Willow would be fun in this car, but like ACS would be brutal because it accelerates so slow.
Yeah. Are we almost there?
Yeah, we're almost there.
Okay. Oh, whoa, look at that.
Hey, they were filming too. We're on their GoPro. Nice. I can't believe we're driving this on the street.
It doesn't feel like it should be.
No, but it'd be fun to autocross this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I would definitely.
I've never tracked a car without ABS, so that's like the only thing I'd be kind of scared of.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah, the Viper didn't have ABS.
Does it scare you going into the braking zones, or you just don't go deep?
No, I just did it. Alright, we made it. Go ahead. Guy's like, what the f are these people doing? You see that? Look.
He's probably admiring the paint job.
Yeah, he says, hey. Oh my goodness. What a great car this is. This is the best car you bought.
It's significantly more affordable than the C6Z.
That's true.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's good. We made it safely.
And pull through.
You just need to roll up the windows, so... Oh, shit.
Is it manual?
It's manual. Yeah, it's manual. It's in order to clear the roll bar, you're sitting on it, like, in your back. You feel it?
Yeah, I got
Feel
it.
there? Yeah, yeah. So you use that as like a key. You have to open the door though to... Yeah.
Okay. Why is it so stuck? There you go.
There, and then you just remove it as a safety precaution.
You need that one too?
No, I have mine clears.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just... Yeah.
Safety precaution. Okay, let's go. Let's get out of this shit box. Does this come out?
It does. Can you take this?
All right. Hey, you're a professional. All right, we're driving home from the store. We got the bolts for the Lotus. That's my neighbor right there.
In a Tesla.
Oh.
Just send it, bro.
All right, we're gonna send it around this corner. Ready?
Woo!
All right.
Pass the car. You lost all momentum.
I did.
Hey, you can feel it though, huh? Like how you need to carry momentum in order to get this car fast.
But it feels like you could throw it in and it would stick.
I don't know. I've never tested that before.
I'm not gonna test it now, but I mean, like,
I would test it now.
no, I don't want you to hit your head on.
No, look, I clear it. Clear it, bro.
How hard is it to boost one of these things?
Not hard at all.
Maybe I'll buy it off you and just boost it.
It's gonna be scary. Like, it's gonna be fast, but it's gonna be scary.
It's so light. It's already got it, and it's got a cage and seats. Like, I feel like if I got rid of the Lotus, I could boost this thing, and then I wouldn't give a shit about this thing.
No, exactly. That's what's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's like the only thing I like about it. We could like hang it or something.
There we go.
I want someone to steal it, you know?
It's a good idea. We could have had someone steal it at the store and then Ubered back. Can you get out? Oh no, yeah, you can get out because you're on the inside.
Yeah, I really want to see you get in the passenger side though.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a different experience, it really is. Alright,
I'll get in the passenger side. You have it figured out pretty well there. Oh, it's the seat.
Yeah!
Alright, here, hold the camera. I'm gonna try it. Alright. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. So getting in is bad, but it's also doable.
You got a evasive
just don't break my seat. Yeah, just be careful.
Yeah, it's such a nice seat. I would hate to. Ow, fuck. Dude, I don't even want to do this.
One more. Well, no.
Alright. I'm not that flexible, man.
Don't rip the jeans.
Dude, how the fuck do you get out of this if you're in an accident? How did you ride in this, man? This is sketchy.
Oh, be careful the ECU.
Where is that?
On your foot.
Yeah, there it is.
Yep.
Okay, so the best way to get out is...
with confidence.
I think getting out is a little bit easier than getting in. Maybe I should have put my feet in first. That's a pain. Good. Good quality. I like the red door that you got here.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Good enough. Alright. Now we gotta go do this sway bar. Loctite. Here it is. Okay. So we're gonna Loctite it. And then put these bolts on, but I gotta put the sway bar in first. Here it is.